Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about ViewSonic ColorPro VP2786-4K monitor with Fogra certification and true 10-bit panel. So friend, ViewSonic announces the new Fogra-certified professional display, the ColorPro VP2786-4K, and friend, it is built with 100% Adobe RGB color gamut, and it delivers true to life color reproduction on all digital and print mediums. And friend, the monitor is tailored for all new ColorPro Sense software, which automatically suggests color combinations from Pantone's color library to best match the creator's vision. And it is also equipped with the intuitive ColorPro Wheel for each depth, color control and management. And friend, the cinema grade 98% DCI P3 color space offers a vast color spectrum to play with, and friend comes with a true color depth of 10 with creator can accept over a billion of colors for stunning and rich visuals. And friend, the intuitive lens-based color sensor, the ColorPro Wheel, allows creator to calibrate the display and control OSD setting for efficient workflow simply with the turn of the dial, while being compatible with Adobe Creative Suite and Capture One editing software. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.